how to install Instagram Edits video editor, Instagram Edits installation tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can install Instagram Edits video editor, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To install Instagram Edits or Instagram video editor, which is called Edits app, first of all we want to make sure we have got a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, the next thing that you want to do is, now what you want to do is open up your Play Store or your App Store. Just select the search icon from the bottom of the screen right here, and here you want to simply search for Edits. When you do that, you'll find the first application, Edits Video Editor by Instagram. Now if you haven't installed it, you'll find the install button. On iPhone you'll find the get button, and which you might have to verify. Check your internet connection, make sure you've got plenty of storage, and you can install it. And now you can log in with your Instagram account and you can begin using Edits. This way you can install Instagram Edits video editor. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.